Okay, so today we have Dell OptiPlex 3010. See, as you can see, the power button is blinking in orange color. Now this is not normal. Even if you press the button, doesn't power off. So I need to open this one to check what is the problem. So this is the main board inside. Then as you can see, the processor fan is spinning, except for the system fan. It's not spinning. Okay, so it means no display, no anything. It's blinking orange light, but the cable is plugged. So first I need to check the battery is fine, CMOS battery is fine, and the RAM also is working. By the way, I already checked it. So what I did next is I will check the power supply. Remove all the cables. Okay. Four pins and 24. So I think. Okay. We'll see if we properly isolate the problem. So there's a lock inside the power supply. You need to press that button, okay, that lever to pull the power supply. And I already have the spare, which is the same power supply Dell on the other side. So I'm going now to insert this power supply. So that it gets power supply and the 4 pins plug. By the way, I unplug first the HDD, just make sure it's safe. So same on the power supply was removed. Now let's check. See, now the system fan, the side fan is spinning, so I think the problem is solved. And this CPU has issue in the power button, so I need to unplug the cable and short the pins just to show you what will happen, and then later on I will going to repair that one. So short the 2 pins from the right. Now see, it's spinning all the fans. Then we'll see if there is a display. And then we ignore the buttons, it's not working. So now the display is coming, so it means it's working. Next I will just repair the power button only by cleaning, and the main concern is fixed. It's 40 power supply, so this is the culprit. I need to change that, and then I will send back to the user, and after I finish to repair this power button. Okay, see you next video. Bye.